Did you know that by 2025, the global artificial intelligence market is expected to be almost $160 billion? That's a staggering number, and it's a testament to the incredible growth and potential of artificial intelligence, or AI. So, what exactly is AI? In essence, it is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions, encompassing everything from Google's search algorithms to IBM's Watson to autonomous weapons. The history of AI dates back to the mid-20th century. Initially conceived as a concept in the 1950s, it was all about symbolic AI and rule-based systems. Fast forward to today, and we're talking about machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. Let's delve deeper into these key concepts. Machine learning, a subset of AI, focuses on training algorithms to improve their performance on specific tasks by using data. Then there's deep learning, which uses neural networks with many layers to process and analyze data, making it ideal for tasks like image and speech recognition. Natural language processing, or NLP, is an AI technology that understands and processes human language, powering chatbots, virtual assistants, and language translation. Computer vision, another fascinating area, allows AI to interpret and understand visual information from the world. And let's not forget about robotics, where AI is integrated into robots, enabling them to perform tasks in the physical world. The applications of AI are many and varied. From healthcare, where it's used for medical diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans, to finance, where it helps detect fraud and assess credit risk, to autonomous vehicles, customer service, manufacturing, education, entertainment, and even agriculture. The significance of AI can't be overstated. It automates repetitive tasks, increasing productivity. It can analyze vast amounts of data with precision, fueling innovation across various industries. It enables personalization, improving user experiences, and it can tackle complex problems and make predictions. However, AI isn't without its challenges. It raises ethical and social questions related to bias, privacy, and job displacement. In conclusion, AI is a multidisciplinary field that encompasses various technologies and applications aimed at replicating human intelligence in machines. It holds immense potential to transform industries, improve efficiency, and solve complex problems. But as we forge ahead into this brave new world of AI, it's essential to navigate the challenges and harness its power responsibly. The future of AI is undoubtedly exciting, and its scope is limited only by our imagination.